will recite to you the 3 sets of 10 commandments. The first set of 10 commandments is the safety driving as a driver. First is, I will not drive when drunk, nor drowsy, nor fatigued. Second, I will not pass without care on curbs, nor hills, nor the view is unseen by my eyes. Third, I will not disobey, violate speed laws, nor exceed speed limits. Is I do disobey highway signs and traffic signals. Fifth, I do not make a test without signaling my intentions. Sixth, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playgrounds, hospitals, and other dangerous zones. 7. I will not be careless when crossing at intersection. 8. I do not glare my headlights on approaching cars at night. 9. I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe conditions are before me. Lastly is I will be courteous and respectful of the right of every driver and pedestrian. So, these are the second sets of the 10 commandments, which is the road safety. First is, thou shalt not gaze at thy phone. Second, thou shalt not throw trash out of the window. Third, thou shalt not or never drive intoxicated. Fourth, thou shalt not take any chances. Fifth, thou shalt buckle up thy feet. Sixth, thou shalt not drive on the bright. 7. Thou shalt not drive with one light or with faulty lights. 8. Thou shalt not adhere to the speed limit. 9. Thou shalt keep my distance. And lastly, thou shalt practice patience. So this is the last set of the 10 commandments, which is the self-clearance. First is keep right. Second, observe courtesy. Third, prohibited parking. Fourth, if in doubt, do not overtake. Fifth, the bus stop rule, lining up on the bus stop zone. Sixth, rule to prevent or untangle traffic jams. Eighth, the philosophy of Pinoy drivers, first come, first serve vehicle. 9. On pedestrian. And lastly, which is remember the international driving safety reminders. And that's all for the 3 sets of 10 commandments. Thank you for watching.